What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a under 5-minute video again. Promise to make this under 5 minutes. We're going to be air frying some boneless pork chops. They are approximately half an inch. We're going to do 375, 10 minutes, flipping them at 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and prep them. First things first, as always, pull your meat out of the freezer, and we'll go ahead and let it thaw. So, and sorry, I'm kind of dressed like a hobo, you know. I'm wearing a shirt like Grinch's heart. 3 sizes too small, you know. We're just gonna put this bad boy on for 5 minutes. 375 for 5 minutes, flip them 5 more minutes. The goal is to get the temperature above 145. 145 for pork chops is safe. 145 and above. The truth, guys, just finished cooking this. I temp checked them, 145, baby. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. Have a great day or night. Peace.